Amity University has a widespread presence with 12 campuses in India and 8 more across various international locations. Here our focus would be on Amity Ranchi campus that has received a 4 out of 5 star rating from students on Shiksha.com. Let's take a look at the BBA program offered, starting off with placements rated 3.9 stars. Notable recruiters like Tata Motors, Deloitte, HDFC, ITC, Zomato visited the campus, offering roles such as assistant manager, HR, junior consultant, and others. The highest salary offered stood at 44 lakh per annum, with the average salary of 6 to 7 lakh per annum. Amity University Ranchi surpasses Arka Jain University and Amity University Patna in terms of median salary offerings, making it a preferred choice for students. Talking about internships, students have shared that appreciable opportunities were offered to them. Focusing on academics, the BBA program offers both general and honours with 3 specializations available. Students can also opt for integrated programs like BBA plus MBA or BBA LLB honours. Admission to BBA is based on 50% in 10 plus 2, where the tuition fees ranges between 4.29 lakhs to 7.6 lakhs, exempting hostel fees and other expenses. Meanwhile, the hostel accommodation costs around 2.1 lakhs. Students can also opt for scholarships come fast-track admission, while on admission scholarships for UG programs, scholarship based on CUET 2024 results for UG programs, scholarship for BTech programs based on JEE score for 2024 and Class 12 exams as well. Meanwhile, sports and martyr scholarships is also offered. Turning our attention to infrastructure with a rating of 3.9 stars. Amity University Ranchi, located in Nivaranpur, is just 11 kilometers from the airport and easily accessible via multiple transport options. The campus boasts advanced infrastructure including 1000 Mbps Wi-Fi, air-conditioned amphitheatre-style classrooms. It has 3 libraries equipped with over 17,000 digital resources, complement the well-furnished auditorium, conference rooms and moot courts and media labs. Meanwhile, the hostel accommodates 144 outstation students given on a first-come, first basis. Students have praised the facilities provided and the good quality mess food. They also have access to appreciable sports facilities like basketball, volleyball, cricket, football, swimming, along with additional amenities like that of cafeteria, bank ATM and medical facilities. Moving on to faculty and course that have received a rating of 4.6 stars. Amity Ranchi's faculty includes highly qualified professionals, many holding PhDs with substantial research contributions and grants. Regular faculty development programs further refine their skills. Students commend their mentoring approach and engaging teaching style. To sit for exams, 75% of attendance is required with a passing CGPA of 4.5. Additionally, 30% of the final grade is based on internal assessments, ensuring a balanced evaluation process. The institution offers a unique 5-week study abroad program at its campuses in Singapore, London, Dubai and Australia, available for an additional fee, giving students international exposure and a global learning experience. Under BBA International, students can complete their course and earn an international degree under Amity partnered universities such as Iowa State University, Lancaster University, Columbia, Deakin and University of Kentucky. The curriculum integrates foreign language learning, military training, value-added courses, and mentor-mentee sessions for holistic development. The university also has partnerships with leading organizations including ICAR, IIT Allahabad, TCS, NSE, IBM, and Tech Mahindra, providing students with hands-on practical learning experiences to complement their academic growth. Extensive research opportunities are provided to students by means of RSERB DST, CSIR, and Innovation Incubator, focusing on organizational security, AI, soft computing, nanotechnology, and cryptography. Shifting our focus towards campus life rated 3.7 stars. The campus life is dynamic, enriched by various clubs, which students can be an active part of. They can also look forward to the annual cultural sports meet and stay engaged year-round through events, summits, webinars, and project-based activities. Lastly, Amity University Ranchi is currently unranked as per the NIRF 2024. For more details on Amity Ranchi Jharkhand and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.